In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Namecheap account. This is a great step if you're looking to purchase domain names or hosting services, as Namecheap is known for being reliable and user-friendly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's get started. The first step you need to take is to visit the Namecheap website. To do this, you can simply open your browser and type Namecheap in the search bar, or, to save time, just head over to google.com and search Namecheap. Once you hit enter, you'll see a list of options. Look for the official Namecheap website link and click on it. When you're on the Namecheap homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's available. Pretty straightforward, right? Now at the top right corner of the screen, look for the login button if you see one. However, since we are creating a new account, you're going to want to find the sign up link instead. Click on that. Once you've clicked on sign up, you'll be directed to a registration page where you'll need to enter some information. Here, you want to fill in your full name. Just type that in the designated box. It's important to use your real name, especially if you plan on managing domains or hosting services professionally. Next up, you will need to enter your email address. Now, I recommend using a Gmail account or another reliable email service. Type in your email, double-check for any typos because this is how they'll be communicating with you. Once that's entered, you'll proceed to the next step. The next field requires you to create a username. Choose something that reflects you or your business. It could be your name or a clever mix of words. Just be sure it's something you can remember but also professional enough for potential future clients, if that's your goal. Now comes the fun part. You need to create a password. Make sure it's a strong one. Mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Type it in carefully. Remember, a strong password is key to protecting your account. After entering your password, you'll be prompted to confirm it again. Just type it in once more to ensure there are no mistakes. The next thing you will see is a prompt to type in a word or highlight that is shown in a box. This is known as a CAPTCHA. It's designed to confirm that you're a real person and not a bot. Just type what you see in that box. After completing the CAPTCHA challenge, don't forget to check the box that says you agree to the terms of service. Always a good idea to read through them if you have the time, just so you know what you are committing to. Once you've done that, you can submit your information. That's right, you're just about done. However, once you submit it, sometimes they may require you to verify that you're human again, just to be on the safe side. This may take a moment, so be patient. Now, if everything goes smoothly, you'll receive a confirmation email in your inbox. To finish the registration process, go to your email and click on the link provided there, verifying your address. If you do not see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case. Lastly, after confirming your email, you're all set. You can now log back into your Namecheap account using the username and password you created. Congratulations! You now have a Namecheap account ready to be used for purchasing domains, hosting, and more. If you have any questions along the way or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and happy domain hunting.